My colleague Shreya joins us from Majnu Katila. Shreya, take us to the preparations on ground for the celebrations of the 90th birth anniversary or birthday of Dalai Lama. It is in fact quite an exciting moment we're seeing. There's a lot of action behind you as well.
Well, let me start by saying that be kind always, and it is always possible. This is a core principle of Dalai Lama that has inspired people worldwide to navigate cruel times without succumbing to cruelty itself. Here you can see a fairly young portrait of Tenzin Gyatso, the 14th Dalai Lama. People have paid their respect, their reverence towards him. And right now you can see I am right now in Tibetan village day school in Majnu Katila. The cultural program is about to begin. Children are seated here and I'll try and speak to our former MCD councillor of this very ward, Majnu Katila, Mr. Vikas Tang. Sir, how does it feel to be here in this cultural program?
Wonderful feelings. Dalai Lama ji is 19th birthday today. So I'm very glad और क्योंकि नोबेल पुरस्कार से सम्मानित हैं दलाई लामा जी हमारे और परम पूज्य हैं, तो हम सबके लिए एक शांति का संदेश देते हैं, हमारे आइडियल हैं सबके। तो आज बड़ा ही शुभ दिन है और हम बहुत सौभाग्यशाली हैं जो क्योंकि हमने इस युग में जन्म लिया है जिसमें ऐसी महान विभूतियों ने जन्म लिया, तो काफ़ी अच्छी फीलिंग्स है।
Sir, how important it is to strengthen Tibetan culture, especially amongst the youth in the national capital?
देखिए, तिब्बती कल्चर्स में हम हमेशा यहाँ आते रहे हैं दलाई लामा जी की जन्मदिन पर, और हमेशा इनमें चाहे वो तिब्बत डे हो तो उसमें शामिल होते रहे, और जो इनका कल्चर है तिब्बती का बहुत ही शांत शालीन है, और हमें ये देखकर बहुत ही शांति की अनुभूति होती है जब भी हम यहाँ आते हैं।
Thank you so much for speaking to NDTV. You can see right here the children are paying their respect to Dalai Lama on his 90th birthday, and it is a moment to celebrate and respect his legacy, the values that he has instilled upon the people, be it social harmony, compassion, kindness. From today onwards till next year, a year of compassion will be conducted where they will be upholding the values of Dalai Lama. There will be panel discussions and several NGOs participating in this year of compassion to remember the legacy of Dalai Lama and celebration of the 90th birthday of Dalai Lama from here in the national capital. Clarity without malice, rage without resistance, and to always be kind. These are the core principles of Dalai Lama. His 9 decades of wisdom, compassion has inspired people all across, and today on his 90th birthday, we are celebrating his legacy. He has always taught us to not succumb to cruelty and to be kind always. Right behind me, you can see visuals of a traditional Tibetan dance, which is known as Tashipala. It's a traditional Tibetan dance. You can see happening right here. It is part of the festivity that is happening here in Little Tibet in Delhi, Majnu Katila. This is a little school called Tibetan Village Day School in Majnu Katila, where the birthday celebration is ongoing. You can see the beautiful, graceful, traditional Tibetan dance right in front of me. So many people have gathered here. Young school children have arrived as well. They did their beautiful cultural performance. There were speeches. The MCD councillor, chairman of this ward, Mr. Vikas Tang, has also come. We spoke to him as well. Today we are celebrating the 90th birthday of Dalai Lama. He's the 14th Dalai Lama, and I'll show you the visuals of all the Buddhist monks sitting there. We all were part of the prayer gathering, followed by the cultural performance that you're seeing right here. There are school children as well who are present here, all to celebrate and pay tribute to the beloved Tenzin Gyatso, the 14th Dalai Lama, amidst the geopolitical tensions around Dalai Lama's succession. Today marks a significant day, and as you can see, the performance has ended. It is going to be followed by a lot of fun and games to pay tribute and respect to the 14th Dalai Lama here in the national capital in Majnu Ka Tila. With camera person Mukesh, this is Shreya Ghosh for NDTV.